Do you know there are over 10 different ways to get Redbubble tags to your design? And for sure, Redbubble tags have an important role to make your designs show up in the search results in front of many customers. Thus, in this video, I'd like to show you 4 main places where you can get high quality Redbubble tags or Redbubble keywords. The first place is from Redbubble, second place from external websites and tools, the third way is from Google, and the fourth way is from social media. So let's take them one by one. And now let's begin with the first place is from Redbubble. And now let's go together to Redbubble homepage. And all you have to do, just you can insert here in the search bar any main keyword of your design, the main keyword of your design. For example, if your design talks about swimming, so you can type here swimming. Okay. And now you will see Redbubble gives you a bunch of keywords, the most searched keywords related to your main keyword. Like this one, beaches, veil, swimming, swimmer, triathlon, okay, swimming pools, bigger splash, and so on. You'll find different keywords, the most searched keyword, which are related to your main keyword, swimming word. So you can take the relevant and related keywords from these suggestions. And that's the first way to get Redbubble tags. The second method is you can check out the highest ranked designs here regarding your main keyword, like these designs. And then you can find out what tags used in these designs that help them to rank higher on search results. For example, we can visit this one. Okay, and now we can go all the way to the bottom to the tag section, as you see, and here you will find all tags used in this design. So you have to copy the relevant and related keywords and paste them on your design. But head up, normally on Redbubble you can't highlight and copy all these tags. So firstly, you have to add to your Chrome browser an amazing Chrome extension, which is so called Allow, Select, and Copy. Allow, Select, and Copy. It's a plugin just you can add to your Chrome browser, and after activating this Chrome extension, you can highlight and copy all keywords of any design. So we can go together to this one, and just we can highlight all keywords, as you see. Okay, or this one for example. Perfect. Copy, and now go together to this amazing website which is called delim.co. delim.co. It's a free comma separating tools, so you can separate your keywords with commas. Select the comma. Okay, and here your keywords, and you can copy them and paste on your design. Okay. And now let's head to the second place, which is about some external websites and tools. The first one is Merch Titans Redbubble Tag Generator. And of course, Merch Titans is an automation tool that enables you to publish your design to all print-on-demand websites at the same time. But here you will find some free tools like this one, Redbubble Tag Generator, Etsy Tag Generator, and so on. So here you can get some relevant and high quality tags regarding your main keyword. For example, you can type here your main keyword like dog lover. Okay, and you get tags. And just a few seconds, you'll find here a bunch of main keywords related to your seed keyword. As you see, like funny, dog lover, dog, puppy, cute, dogs, pet, puppies, animals, and so on. Okay, as you see, with their occurrences. Perfect. The second website is toppuppindex.com. toppuppindex.com. This game changer on Redbubble business. So here you can find a lot of free tools like Redbubble Tag Generator and the automation tool and Redbubble trending keywords and much more. So regarding our today's topic about getting keywords or Redbubble tags, so we can go together to this one, Redbubble Tag Generator. Okay, And here you can insert your main keyword or your main seed keyword. So we can type here, for example, yoga, and we can search tags. And here you are, you will find the most related and relevant keywords regarding your main keyword, which is about yoga, like yoga, yoga unicorn horn, meditation, yogi, spiritual, then yoga pose, namaste, hippie, and so on and so forth. So you can select the top keywords from this one. You can select the 15 or 16 or 20 and you copy top 20 tags and paste on your design. Okay, and now let's head to this amazing website for getting Redbubble tags, papplespider.com. papplespider.com. It's a new and awesome website that gives you a lot of tools regarding print-on-demand business for merch by Amazon and for Redbubble. And regarding our today's topic, which is about getting Redbubble keywords, so we can go to this tools and go to tag generator, click over that, and there you can insert your main keyword. Therefore, you can scrap the first 100 designs regarding your main keyword. So we can insert here something like Pernese mountain dog. Okay, as you see, you'll find a bunch of main keywords, over 600 tags like Pernese mountain dog, dog, Pernese puppy, Perner animals, Pernese mountain dog lover, and so on. And here you can copy the first 30 or 50 or 20 or 10 tags, okay, and copy to paste on your design. And now let's go together to the following website, eroxer.net, eroxer.net, to get Redbubble tags. Just here you can insert your main tag or your main keyword, and this amazing and awesome website gives you a bunch of keywords related to your main tag and your keyword. Okay, now let's go together to the following website, which is a Chrome extension Redbubble tag generator. Redbubble tag generator. And after adding this plugin to your Chrome browser, just you can use it. And then in this Redbubble tag generator, just you can insert here your main keyword, your seed keyword, and click over this grab tags, and you'll find a bunch of main tags and the main keywords that you can use on your design. So you can select relevant and related tags only. Okay, or you can import directly to your Redbubble account. And now let's go together to the third place, which is about Google. So let's head to Google, and by all means, people go to Google to search for something they want to shop online. And here you can get all main keywords and the searched sentences people are searching on Google and use them on Redbubble. So for example, we can type here swimming t-shirt, for example. As you see, you'll find some suggestions people are searching for, like swimming t-shirts, men, designs, boy, women, ladies, and so on and so forth. So we can click on this one. Okay, so the first way, you can depend on the suggestions of Google. Okay, the second way, you can depend on some Chrome extension tools that would help you to get the most searched keywords, or people also search for terms. Like this one, for example, Keywords Everywhere. It's a free tool. And this amazing one, Keyword Surfer, and this amazing tool which is so called Uber Suggest SEO and Keyword Discovery from Neil Patel. So regarding our search term here, you will find these Chrome extensions give you a lot of suggestions and related keywords, and people also search for, as you see here, for Keyword Everywhere, swimming t-shirt, men's, boy, long sleeve, near me, Sports Direct, and t-shirt designs, long sleeve, and so on, t-shirt Kmart designs, ladies, teabag t-shirt, open water swimming t-shirt, peppy swimming t-shirt, custom t-shirt, swimming pool t-shirt designs, and so on, swimming coach t-shirts. So here you can know what people are searching for regarding your main keyword and regarding your design, like swimming t-shirt. So you can copy some of these long tail keywords and use them as tags on your Redbubble tag section. Okay, and now let's do the fourth place to get Redbubble tags is from social media, especially Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest, because Pinterest is one of the biggest social media to promote your designs, and people are searching for anything they want, like home decor, apparel, stickers, and so on. So you can know what keywords and sentences people are typing on Pinterest and use them as tags on your design. So you can go together to Pinterest, and to know these keywords and these sentences, there are many ways to find them out. I have talked about it in previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. One of them, you can go to the search bar and type anything about your design, like dog lover, and you will find a lot of these keywords regarding this dog lover, like dog lover, quotes, tattoos, cake, gifts, okay, that includes some t-shirts, stickers, and something like that, art, store, and so on. Okay, and you can try that regarding your design and your keywords. And the best tool to get the most targeted keywords that you can use on Pinterest and use on Redbubble tag section, this amazing tool, which is so called Bin Inspector. Of course, this is a paid tool, so you can go together to keywords and type here your seed keyword, like dog lover, or for example dog stickers. Okay, generate, and then you'll find a lot of keywords people are searching on Pinterest, so you can use them on your Redbubble design. And regarding dog stickers, stop that, like dog stickers art, cat and dog stickers, dog paw stickers aesthetic, dog stickers black and white, aesthetic stickers pal and dog, the dog artist collection, dog stickers. And this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.